Not bad. Not bad either. Oh shoot. My handlebars just went forward from that jump. There, fix it. Bike keeps dying. Holy crap. It's so muddy over here too. Wow. Oh, there goes Asher. What's up, Johnny? Spinning those tires. Sir. What happened?
Every time I go, I like slide and fall down.
Dang it. Dang it. Oh shoot. Oh yeah, fresh rain for the men. Oh Lord, there's wire right here. That's great. They're laying booby traps out here, trying to sabotage me. I don't know. The fence just totally came off.
I don't know.
I know, this fence got stuck on me. Not yet. Holy crap. What the heck happened to this fence? Not bad. So we got a fence that's just trying to whack us up. And I guess That got hooked on the mini bike. Is it this? I think if I hold this here and there we go. Now it's starting to actually rain a lot. He's got to get speed before he can go up the hill. He's like way too heavy for that bike, but what the heck, you know? There's the man, Johnny.
Hey.
What's up, Johnny? Oh Lord, the rain's coming down. Following the gator tracks, kinda. Alright guys, that's gonna be all for this episode. We just messed around in the mud and got caught on a fence. You know, the normal day. I'm Taotao, and I hope I'll be bringing y'all some more videos like this pretty soon.